In this video, I'm going to show you how to update and delete the company. First of all, I'm gonna implement the update route. App.put is used for the update. I need to update the company by ID. So the second argument will be request handler. Let me get the ID first. I'm gonna add the validation for the ID, request.params.id. If user did not provide the ID, I'm gonna send the 400 batch request error. Let me send the error. The error message will be invalid ID provided. You can choose any message. Here I'm going to create an attribute object. In this attribute object, I will add the properties of company model. If user wants to update the city, I need to add the city to the attributes object. I'm going to use request.body.city. If user wants to update this address, ADDRESS, then we need to add the address to the attribute property, attribute object, address, and this last property is name. Attributes.name is equals to request.body.name. Now I'm gonna call company.find by ID and update method. It will take the ID, request.params.id, because we need to update the company by ID. And the second method will be attributes, and the third method will be callback method. It will return the company, updated company. If error comes, we need to send the 500 error with 500 status code. If everything is good, we need to send the updated company. Now I'm going to run the application by using Node.js app.js. Now I'm going to try to update the company by ID. First of all, let me find all the companies. We have only one company. I'm going to update the name, city, and address of this company. To update the company, you have to send the put request. Go to the body raw and find the JSON option. Let me copy these properties. I only need 3 properties. Name, yeah, I want to update the thinkific to teachable sh. Let me update the street here, 777. Invalid ID provided. What is that? Yeah, if user did not provide, then we need to send the invalid ID provided error. What is wrong? JSON, there is a typo here. JSON. Let me send the request again. You can see that we have successfully updated the company. Let me try to update the name again. This time I'm gonna use Google. There is a problem here. When it did not update the name. Let me send the request again. Now it has updated the name. Let me show you how to fix it. What you have to do, there is a problem with Mongoose. They have updated this method, so you have to tell the Mongoose I want to use the new documentation. So you have to add the object. In this object you must have single property which is new. Now I need to update the name from Google to Apple. I also want to update the address, city and address. You can see that we have successfully updated the company. Now I want to show you how to delete the company. To delete the company, you have to create the delete route, app.delete. We want to delete the company by ID. Same process. Let me add the validation for ID. There is a method find by ID and remove. I'm gonna use this method. It will take the ID, request.params.id, and second argument will be error and the results. Basically a deleted company. It will return the deleted company. If error comes, we need to send the 500 error. I'm gonna copy this one and paste it here. If I also need to add the validation, if not company, it will send the message with 404 status code, unable to find the company, unable to find the company. If everything is good, we need to send the message with 200 status. The message will be company is deleted with ID request.params.id. Let me send the request. This time I would like to delete the company. You have to send the delete request. You can see that company is deleted with ID. Let me delete again. The company did not exist yet. You will see this error, unable to find the company. In this way you have learned how to update the record in MongoDB and delete the record in MongoDB.